in our lives, no matter how high you get, definitely may problem yan. Kasi yung problem na yun, yung magdadala sa'yo ng wisdom. No problem, no wisdom. If there's problem, there's wisdom. And if you have wisdom, you can multiply. You can have abundance. You can multiply your money, you can multiply your awareness kasi you have wisdom. Ngayon, kaya umulit-ulit kasi ayaw mong matuto. Pag hindi ka natuto sa buhay mo, uulit at uulit yung sitwasyon at definitely palala ng palala. Lahat ng tao, binibigyan niya ng challenge sa buhay. And believe me, those people who are earning $1 billion a month have the same problem. I swear. So life is like that. Hindi ko po alam kung anong grade na kayong lahat na nanonood dito. But definitely, you learn a lot of things. Namnamin ninyo, keep in your hearts, and make sure to write it down because your pen is sharper than your mind.